Yeah, good morning students. In class 6, Maths, chapter number 5, in this training elementary shapes. This is part 3. Topic is 3D shapes. 3D shape means whatever you see around you in daily life, the solid shape. Whatever object you are seeing around us, like geometry box, like pencil, pen, water bottle, tiffin box, your bed, your book, these are all 3D shapes. Now we categorize all the shapes in some based on their size, edges and face. So let's we understand first. First shape is cube. So now you want to look cube. How the cube looks. This is your cube. So cube has base in square shape. Cube has base in square shape and top is also in square shape. So the object, the solid shape which base is square shape and the top is also square shape and all the faces left, right, back, forward, they are also square shape. It means all the faces are in square shape. Then this shape is called cube. Now we will count number of faces. First we count number of faces. So here I am writing faces, edges and vertices. So now first of all you have to understand three topics. What is face? Face means the flat surface which you see around the shape is called face, which you can touch, you can observe. So this is the flat shape, this is the face. Now we will count number of faces in the cube. How many faces in cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in cube there are how many faces? In cube there are 6 faces. Now we will count number of edges. What is the mean by edges? Where the line or you can say side, where two faces meets. This face, top face and front face is meeting on this line. So this side of cube is called edges. Actually in 2D shape, whenever you are making a square, in 2D shape there is called side. But in 3D shape, this line is called edge. So I think you understand what is the meaning of edge. Edge is the line where two faces meets. Now we will count the number of edges in the cube. 4 edges on top. You can see 4 edges on top and 4 edges on bottom, total 8, and 2 edges. This is already we have counted, so we count only vertical edges, 4 vertical edges. So 4 on top, 4 on bottom and 4 edges on vertical edges. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 edges. So total 12 edges are founded in the cube. Now we will count the third point, which is vertices. Vertices means the corner. This is called corner, right? Normal language it is called corner, but now in mathematical it is called vertices. Vertices is the point where 3 edges meet each other, or you can say start. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. 3 edges meets this point. This is called vertices. Okay, so if this is a one point, this is called vertex, and more than one, this is called vertices. Right. Now we will count the number of vertices in the cube. You think 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices in the cube. How many vertices? 8. So you can see we have understood a basic shape of mesh, which is cube. Cube means all the faces of this shape is square shape. Okay, all the faces is in shape of square shape. We have counted the number of faces, number of edges, number of vertices. Now let's do another shape, which is name is cuboid. Right. So this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. So how can we understand about the cuboid? The base is a rectangle. You can see the base is a rectangle and top is a rectangle. Right? So the cuboid is a shape which base and top it should be rectangle and other faces may be rectangle or square. Right? It depends on the face. So two face should be a here rectangle. So now we will count the number of faces in the cuboid. Same top, bottom, 2, forward, front, 3, 4, backward, and side faces 5, 6. So total faces is 6. Total faces is 6. Now we will count the number of edges. How many edges? 4 on top, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 vertical edges. So total 12 edges. Total 12 edges. How many vertices? Corners you can say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices. So now you can see in cube and cuboid the number of faces equal number of edges equal number of vertices equal. So now you will be thinking that these are the same shape. No, these are not same shape. So what is the difference between the cube and cuboid? The cube has all the faces in square shape, but cuboid has rectangle or square faces. All the faces are not same. Not same means it may be a rectangle, it may be a cube, square. So this is the main difference between the cube and cuboid. And now we are coming to the third shape. Third shape is cylinder. Right. So this is the third shape, which is a cylinder. There are so many examples like this marker is in cylinder shape, your pencil, your pen, your gas cylinder, these are the cylindrical shape. So now you see there are the different type of faces. This is a flat face, but this is a curved face. So right, there are the two types of faces. One is flat shape, one is curved shape. So we are counting the number of faces. So how many faces here? 1 top, 1 bottom, 2 and 1 complete curved shape. We will count 1 here. So 1, 2 and 3. So now number of faces is 3 in cylinder. Now we count edges. You can see there is no straight edge. There is curved edge. You can see this is a curved edge. Right? So 1 and 2, right? Only 2 edges. 2 edges. Now we count vertices. So there is only 2 edges. You can see the definition of vertex is 3 edges. Minimum 3 edges required to make a vertex. So there is only 2 edges, so there is no vertex. So there is 0 vertex. Now we count. We take pyramid. See, this is a pyramid. So pyramid is the shape which has this is a special pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid, right? In Misr, you do know that there is a pyramids. Whose base is triangular, and whose faces, other faces are also in the triangular shape. So this is a special pyramid. This is called the normal pyramid and the triangular base pyramid, right? So now again you have to remember this. The base is the triangle and the top is a vertex. So top is a vertex. This is a very important thing you have to remember. Top is a vertex and base is a pyramid. So the base is a triangle. So this is called the pyramid, right? Now this is the pyramid. So now we will count the number of faces. 1, 2 and 3. 3 side faces and 1 bottom face. Total 4 faces. Total 4 faces. Now we count edges. How many edges? 3 on bottom and 3 on side. Total 6 edges. Now we count the vertices. 1 on top. All the 3 edges meets on top on a vertex. 1 and 3 on bottom. Right? So total is 4 vertices. So you can see we have understood about the pyramid. So pyramid means a triangular pyramid has the base triangle and the top is in the form of a vertex. Now we are taking a square pyramid. A square pyramid means the base is in the form of a square. So we write here square pyramid. So you have to remember one thing, that the base of square is a square pyramid and the other faces is a triangular shape, right? So this is the special shape which is the base is a square and the other faces are in the triangle shape. Now we count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the side faces and 1 is the bottom faces. Total 5 faces. Now we count the number of edges. How many edges? 4 on bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 on side faces, side edges. So 4 plus 4, 8 edges. Now we count number of vertices. 1 on top, 4 on bottom. 4 plus 1, 5. Right. So we have understood about the square pyramid. So 2 types of pyramid we have understood. First is triangular base pyramid and other is square pyramid. Now we are taking about the next shape, which is a very important shape in our life. This is called, can you guess this? What is this called? You have seen in science lab. Yeah, this is a prism. What is? This is a prism. This is a prism. Why this is a prism? There is a special face. The base is, sorry, the top and bottom are triangular. Top and bottom are triangle. You can see top is triangle and bottom is triangle. And the other faces are rectangle. Other faces are rectangle. Clear? So top and bottom are same. This is a uniform shape, right? Uniform shape from the bottom to top. So this is called the prism. The special property of the prism is that any shape which base and top is the same, and this is the uniform. Uniform means equal, similar. You can say same. So you can see how this look like on the base. From the base, it look like on the top. So this is the main property of the prism. Now we will count the number of faces. How many faces here? 1 top, 1 bottom and 3 side faces. So total 3 plus 2, 5. Now we count the number of edges. 3 edges on top, 1, 2, 3. 3 bottom, 6 and 3 sides. Total 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Now we count number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 edges, 6 vertices. So prism we have understood, right? Now we are taking the last shape, not last, this is the cone. This is the cone. This is the ice cream cone. You can see like this. You have use the ice creams, other shapes. Birthday cake, you can see. Birthday cake is also in the shape of cone, right? So, what is the special thing in this shape? Why we have categorized as a cone? This base is in which shape? Circle, and the top is on vertex. So, it is a very special shape whose base is in a circle shape. We have not studied any shape whose base is circle shape. So, this is the different shape whose base is circle shape, and the top is vertex, right? Now, if I say you count the faces, then how many faces? One is curved face and one is bottom is flat shape. Total how many faces? 2 faces. How many edges? Can you see here edges? 1 edges. Only 1 edges. Now, sometimes we include these are the infinite edges actually. Okay. So, but now according to your class level, we count only 1 edges here. But sometime you will listen in the future that there are the infinite edges in the cube, because there are so many edges are included and this making it the curve shape. Okay. Now how many vertices? 1. Only 1. So why I am telling you this is the vertices? Because the vertex is only made by only when the more than 2 edges meets. So I am saying here that there are so many infinite edges are meeting on the top. So this is called the vertex. Otherwise it will not form. So vertex condition is that more than 2 edges meets. The point where meets more than 2 edges. So it is called vertex. Otherwise it is not possible that it will make a vertex. So I am telling there are the infinite edges. But according to your class, we will count only 1 edges. So how many vertex? Only 1 on the top. And there is no other vertex, right? Now the last shape, you know, sphere. Your ball, your cricket ball, your ball, there is a shape which is only, you know, basic shape, sphere. So how many faces? 1. Edges? No edges. 0, you can say 0. Any vertex? No, 0. So this is the topic complete. 3D shape, 3-dimension shape. Again I am revising here. First cube. This is a cube. I can show you again. This is a cube, right? Whose all faces are square shape. Second, cuboid, whose some faces are rectangle, some are square. Next, cylinder. Third, okay, whose base and top is circle and the one curved face. Next, pyramid. Fourth, pyramid, whose base is triangle but top is vertex. Next, square pyramid, whose base is square, top is vertex. Next is prism. So, prism, uniform shape, base and top is triangle. Next is cone, whose base is circle and top is vertex. And the last, you know, very common, sphere, your football, your ball, right? So these are the basic shapes. We categorize on the different properties of the shapes, and these are called 3-dimensional shapes. 3D shapes are very important topic in our life. You use daily, because there is not possible that we cannot use the 3D shapes. So whenever you see any object around you, you think that which type of this shape, right? Suppose you are thinking you are seeing this marker. So which shape? Yeah, cylinder, right? But you can see a different type like cone. Suppose you are seeing in the pencil, you can see that the pencil, there's a top is cylinder but bottom is cone. So you can see the combination of shapes in around this. So let's think about that, any object, which type of shapes required, right? So thank you.